Hi guys, so today I am going to just be recording a video of how I keep up with my daughter's hair in between styles. They currently have had their hair braided. This is Princess Nevaeh. They currently have had their hair braided for 2 weeks, and this is just a routine that I do. So first, as you can see, I'm taking off her hair bows and her hair ties, and that first one was really giving me kind of a hard time. Then, as you can see, I take my spray bottle that I got from my local beauty supply store, and I make sure that I moisturize the section that I'm in very well, but not too much that is drenched and dripping down. Moisture is key in actually locking in all of the products to keeping your hair. So again, I'm just taking that, moisturizing her section that I'm in. First thing I'm using is oil, and this is the new Argan oil Morocco. This is our first time using it, but I've heard great things about it, so we're all trying it out. Our whole family, me, my husband, and our 3 girls. So I'm just taking some, squeezing it in the palm of my hand, and I'm rubbing it in really good. It's very nice and thick, and it smells so good, guys. Like, I really love the smells, and it smells so great. Then I'm just taking it and I'm just moisturizing it into her scalp and onto some of her braids. This is good. You want to really moisturize it in there, making sure that the oil is really penetrating the cuticle in her scalp so that it's getting moisturized. Then I'm taking some cream. This is a curl repair leave-in. I will leave all of the links down below for all of the products. I'm taking a little bit, and I'm also rubbing that in the palm of my hand, and then I'm moisturizing it into her scalp as well. She just wanted to show you guys that she's currently looking at Lion on her new Amazon Fire Stick tablet, and I will post that link below. Last but not least, we have to have some hair mousse. My girls and my hair, it gets very frizzy, so mousse helps it with keeping down the frizz and making it look new. As you can see, again, I'm just taking that, really moisturizing all of the products in, starting from her scalp all the way down to the ends of her braids. Then I'm putting it nicely back into her ponytail using her same hair tie. And you guys want to make sure to be careful. I had accidentally hit her with her hair, and I was apologizing. Also, what you can see is at the ends of her hair, some of her beads were coming off, or some of her hair was sticking out of. I do add braided hair sometimes with the hair, because it makes their hair stay longer versus just using their natural hair. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking the rubber bands, and I'm like refixing some of the ends, and then I'm just making sure that I'm cutting off a little bit of the frizz, a little bit of the ends that is sticking out. Sorry that I didn't have everything on the camera. I was trying to do the best that I could. I didn't realize the angles. See, just want to cut off the little ends that are sticking out using my shears. One thing I would recommend, parents, make sure that you have a lot of snacks and something that can keep your girls occupied. These girls, ever since they've gotten their tablets, they absolutely love them. There's a lot of educational games on them that allow them to play, and they love watching different shows that of course, you can approve of. It really makes hair time go by even faster and smoother. Also, when doing this, this is a time that if you guys want to switch out her hair bows or take them off, then you can do so. Nevaeh said that she did not want her hair bows on, so I left them off. Also, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and like this video below. Thank you guys again. And as you can see now, what I'm doing is I'm just working on and repeating the exact same thing with the other side. She does have 3 ponytails, so we're going to do this with all 3 of her ponytails. Also, these are some of Nevaeh's favorite snacks. She currently loves the Scooby-Doo. What are some snacks that you guys as toddlers and little girls currently like? Comment down below.
The doctor said that I have to come back.
Huh?
The doctor said that I have to come back. So now I cut my hair.
No, that wasn't your hair. That was just like mine.
You can see our videos about the hair though for our website. So you can see our website, guys. It's www. So .com.
A little piece of
heaven. Family boutique. You can see all of our clothes. So this is like standard. Back into the room. You got mommy?
Pass gas, Bea?
No.
Adriana, did you pass gas?
Yeah.
Oh, say excuse me.
Pass gas.
Jeez, Mama, that smells worse than daddy. That smells bad, girl.
This is not bad. I don't know if it's that bad, but
I broke your favorite snack.
yeah, that's the stuff that is best. They can make you very bad. The more you sleep, the more you eat healthy, the more you grow, the more you get worse sun.
Can I see your butt ponytail? Ooh. Beautiful. Tell them bye.
Now look, they're catching me.